Hi friends, I'm going to show you my new toy for my pets. This is a plastic silicone kind of toy. Let's give them a treat because they don't let me work. Peggy. And you crush some treats for them in the inside. And then, well, you can just close it like this. Even putting one window here and the other here. And your pet will be playing with it, trying to get the treats off. So let's see them in action. See, they're beginning to understand what's happening. And Choco wants to get something out of them. He smells inside, and he knows there's something great inside. Okay, they're going to fight for it. Well, maybe it's a good idea to give it one at a time to the pets, okay? Thank you.